Hi students, welcome back to Chapter 6 Construction of Quadrilaterals. Today we are going to learn the construction of rectangle. Before let us look the properties of rectangle once again. Properties of rectangle. First property, opposite sides are equal. In the figure you can see side AB equal to side CD and side AD equal to side BC. Then what is the second property? Yes, opposite sides are parallel. You know side AB parallel to CD and side AD parallel to BC. Third property, all angles are right angles. That means angle A equal to 90 degree, angle B equal to 90 degree, angle C equal to 90 degree and angle D also 90 degree. Fourth property, you can see diagonals are equal in length. That is diagonal AC equal to diagonal BD. And you can see these diagonals bisect each other, which means each diagonals cut the other into two equal parts. So we get AO equal to CO and BO equal to DO. Children, we have learned to draw a rectangle of specified sides using set square. Do you remember it? Okay, let us refresh our memory. Construction of rectangle. First, let us see construction of rectangle by using set square. See this question, children. Draw a rectangle of sides 8 cm and 5 cm. First, let us draw a line of length 8 cm by using a ruler. You know, all angles of a rectangle are right angle. So let us draw perpendicular from the both end of the line. For that, place a set square on the line for getting 90-degree angle from the first end of the line. Then draw a perpendicular line. Then use a ruler and mark 5 centimeters breadth. Then repeat the same from the other end. Draw a perpendicular line and mark 5 centimeter. Then join these points by using a ruler. Then erase the unwanted parts. Then we get a rectangle of sides 8 cm and 5 cm long. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to draw rectangle when the length of a diagonal is specified instead of length of its sides. For example, draw a rectangle of diagonal 6 cm. Children, we can draw a square of this diagonal as before. But now we have to draw a rectangle which is not a square. How do we draw a rectangle which is not a square? Children, you know when we draw a square, we take 45-degree angle in between a diagonal and a side. If we take 45-degree angle in between a diagonal and a line, we get square. When we draw a rectangle, no need to take 45-degree angle in between diagonal and a side. Instead of 45 degree, we can take any other angle such as 30 degree, 40 degree, 50 degree, etc. to draw a rectangle. Thus, we can draw many rectangle of diagonal 6 cm. Okay, children? Then first let us draw a rough sketch of rectangle of diagonal 6 cm. You know, one of its angle is 90 degree. Then if we take this angle as 30 degree, then what will be the other angle? Yes, this will 60 degree. Correct. Then start drawing. First draw a horizontal line with any measure. You know, length of its sides does not given in the question. Then use a protractor and mark 30 degree angle. Then take a compass and adjust its width 6 cm. Then mark 6 cm on the slanted line. Then let us draw a perpendicular line from this point to the bottom line. For that, let us take protractor again and mark 60-degree angle. Then draw a perpendicular line. Now we get two sides of a rectangle. Children, you know opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. So let us use a compass and take the same length to draw opposite side. Then draw an arc from this point and again take length of its breadth to draw another line. Again draw an arc from this point. Then join these intersecting points and complete the rectangle. Then erase the unwanted parts. Then we get a rectangle of diagonal 6 cm. Thus you can draw many rectangles of diagonal 6 cm. Let us see another question. Draw a rectangle of diagonal 6 cm and 40-degree angle between them. Children, in this question, they have given length of its diagonal and angle in between two diagonals. First, let us draw a rough sketch. You know, length of two diagonals are same. So, we can draw diagonals by drawing circle. For, let us use a compass and take radius as the half of its diagonal, which is equal to 3 cm. Then draw a circle and mark diagonal and its center. Then place a protractor to the center and mark 40-degree angle. Then use a ruler and draw second diagonal of length 6 cm. Then use a ruler and join these ends. Then at last erase the unwanted parts. We get rectangle of diagonal 6 cm and angle 40-degree. Let us see another question. How do we draw a rectangle of one side 5 cm and diagonal 6 cm? Children, in this question they have given one side and length of its diagonal. So first let us draw a rough sketch. You know diagonal split a rectangle into two right triangles. So let us draw one of these triangles first. Okay. Then first take a ruler and draw horizontal line of length 5 cm. Children, you know all angles of rectangle are 90-degree. So let us use a protractor and mark 90-degree angle from this end. Then draw a perpendicular line. Then use a compass and take 6 cm and draw one arc on the vertical line. Then join these points. Thus we get half of rectangle. We can draw the upper half also. For that, take a compass and measure the same length to draw the opposite side. Then draw one arc from this point. Again take length of its breadth to draw the opposite side. Then draw another arc from this point. Then join these intersecting points and complete the rectangle. Now let us do questions from page number 111 and 112. Question number 1. Draw the figure below in your notebook. See children, in this figure you can see they have given two rectangles and length of its diagonals. And one angle also given, that is 30-degree. So we can say same angle of small rectangle also 30-degree. Then What will be the other angles? Yes, one angle is 90 degree. Then the other angle is 60 degree. Okay. Then start drawing. First draw a horizontal line of any measure. Then use a protractor and mark 30-degree angle. Then take a compass and adjust its width 6 cm. Then draw an arc on the slanted line. Then again use a protractor and mark 60-degree angle. Then join this point by using a ruler. Then use a compass and mark length of its breadth to draw the opposite side. For that, draw an arc from this point and again take length in the compass and draw another arc from this point. Then join these intersecting points by using a ruler. Now we get half figure. Then extend this end by using a ruler. Then take 3 cm in a compass and draw an arc on the slanted line again. Then use a protractor and mark 60-degree angle from this point also. Then draw a perpendicular line to the bottom line. Then take the breadth in compass and draw an arc to the opposite side. Now we get an intersecting point. Then join this point by using a ruler. Then erase the unwanted parts. Now we get the required pattern. Question number 2. Children, in this figure, they have given two rectangles with the measure of its breadth and angle between two diagonals. When we consider the rectangle ABCD and its diagonal, we know O is the intersecting point of two diagonals. We know in a rectangle, diagonals are bisect each other. So we can say length of OA equal to OC and OB equal to OD. So angle opposite to equal sides are also equal, right? That we learned in the lesson equal triangles. Hope you remember that. So we can say angle OAD equal to 60 degree and angle ODA equal to 60 degree. See children, now we know two triangles are equilateral triangles. We know three angles and three sides of equilateral triangle are equal. So sides are 3 centimeters each. So we can say length of diagonal is 6 centimeter. Okay. Next let us consider the rectangle PQRS. Let us see the angle in between diagonal AC and diagonal PS. When we take this linear pair, we can say angle AOP and angle BOQ are 30 degree. Then let's start drawing. First draw a vertical line of 3 centimeters. Then use a protractor and mark 60 degree angle from this end. Then use a ruler and draw a straight line. Then repeat the same from the other end. First mark 60 degree angle, then draw a straight line. Then take the length of half of its diagonal in a compass and draw arc from the center to the diagonal like this. Then repeat the same from the center to the other diagonal. Then join these two intersecting points. And we know angle between diagonal of two rectangle is 30 degree. So keep protracted to the center like this and mark 30 degree angle. Then draw a straight line passing through the center to this point. Again from the center, keep the protractor like this. Then mark 60 degree angle and draw another straight line passing through the center to this point. And we know two rectangle must be equal. So its length of diagonal also equal. Then take half of its diagonal in a compass and draw arc to the diagonal of second rectangle from its center like this. Then join each intersecting point by using a ruler. And complete both rectangles by joining each ends. Then erase the unwanted parts. We get the required pattern. Third question. In this figure, you can see two rectangles with the same diagonal, and length of diagonal and angle between diagonals and a side is given. And one more thing is given, both rectangle must be equal. Okay children, first let us consider this rectangle and its diagonal. Here one of its angle is given, that is 30 degree. And we know all angles of rectangle is 90 degree. Then the third angle must be, yes, 60 degree. Children, you know angle opposite to the smallest side is smallest angle. When we consider the upper half of this rectangle, angle opposite to the smallest side is 30 degree. Then let's start drawing. First draw a horizontal line of any measure. Then use a protractor and mark 30 degree angle from this end. Then draw a straight line by using a ruler. Then take 6 cm width in a compass and draw an arc on the slanted line. Now we get the diagonal 6 cm. Then use a protractor and mark 60 degree angle from this point. Then draw another line from this point to the bottom line. Then let us draw the upper half of this rectangle. For that, first take a protractor and mark 30 degree angle from this point. Then use a ruler and draw a straight line. We have to draw a perpendicular line. For that, use a protractor and mark 90 degree angle from this end. Then draw perpendicular line by using a ruler. Now we get one rectangle. Next, let us draw second rectangle from the same diagonal. We know both rectangles are same. So let us take same length and breadth of this rectangle in a compass and draw second rectangle. Okay. For that, first take the measure of breadth in a compass and draw arc from the both end of this diagonal like this. Then take the measure of its length and draw another set of arc from the end of same diagonals. And ensure that both arcs are intersecting the first set of arcs. Then join these intersecting points by using a ruler. And complete second rectangle. Then we get the required pattern. Hope these constructions are clear to you. Then see you in the next class with the construction of rhombus. Till then, bye.